Are you dreaming of consistently making money from trading but lack the time or knowledge to analyze charts? I know exactly what you need. Meet my AI bot, which provides signal every hour and helps you around the clock. But before I explain how it works, let me share one important rule that separates successful traders from the rest. I'm Thomas, a trader since 2016, and today I'm sharing my personal experience showing you how you can grow rapidly in trading. Let's go. I have a VIP club with two fantastic products. The first is where I personally conduct trading sessions, and you can also connect social trading, which I explained in more details in this video. The second is the AI bot. So the bot doesn't just provide signals. Every 60 minutes, day or night, you receive up-to-date recommendations for entering trades. And these aren't just random signals. The bot analyzes a vast array of data to give you precise entry and exit points. You can receive these signals daily, 24/7. Sounds great, right? But here's the most important thing. To consistently aim with my bot, you need to think a little and do some minor technical analysis. I will demonstrate this later a bit, let's say a bit later. But this essence is simple. You can rely solely on signals. The bot gives you perfect entry opportunities, but it's crucial to perform minimal analysis to maximize your profits. If you're ready to dive into trading a bit, this is your gold mine. And all of this requires minimal effort. Now, let's talk about the results. Here is what people who have already connected to the boards are saying. See for yourself. People who previously struggled in trading are now making about 15% profits, plus 25% profits also, and even 30% on the deposit in just a week. That is 1 week, guys. These are real numbers and real examples. The bot gives you a chance to do the same. Let's see how to use our AI bot in practice. Here's an example of a trading signal. You receive a signal, copy the currency pair, and paste it into the trading field. Let's open the 5 minutes time frame. It will give us a better understanding of the current market situation. First, we see there is a downward trend, and now we are observing a reversal. So, the price starts to move upwards gradually. Pay attention to the support and resistance level, which the price may bounce. In this trade, I don't see critical risks. So we'll make a trade of 1% of the deposit. In our case, that's $250. It's important the martingale strategy is used here. You shouldn't play around with it, of course. So this rule must be strictly followed, guys. Now we wait for 2030 and we enter a buy trade. Watch the time in the upper left corner. It's accurate. So we see that 2030 is approaching. Let's place a trade upwards. While our trade is closing, let's analyze another trading signal. So we copy the OMRCNY and see that the trade should have been placed at 1930. Let's draw a vertical line on the chart to make the mark entry point, or to mark an entry point basically. We see a strong upward movement right here, although with minor pullbacks. So the price is moving up. But here's what's interesting, guys. The AI bot advised placing a trade downwards. Yes, this trade was successful and made a plus $184. But it was quite risky, and I recommend skipping such trades, okay? You shouldn't trade against the trend, of course. Now, let's look at another signal, EURTRY. We also draw a vertical line where a trade should have been placed at 1830. Here, the price is moving in a rectangular range without a clear upward or downward trend, which is already an advantage. So you notice the resistance level from which the price bounced and went down, ultimately yielding a profit. Okay? While I was explaining, I missed a trade that I should have entered at 20.35, guys. This is because the first trade lost. That's why. And I need to double my balance for the next entry. Okay, so in such moments, if you miss a trade, it's just better not to enter, as every second can play a decisive role. Okay, so here's an example. If the first trade at 20.30 ended in a loss, at 20.35, we place another second trade for $500, guys. So if the first trade was profitable, we don't place anything until we get the next profit. So if the second trade also fails, the amount also increases to about $1,000 at 20.40, and so on and so forth. So up to about $2,000 at 20.45. Of course, such situations are rare, but they can happen, and I'm recording this video to help you know how to avoid them. We see that the trade would have yielded the profit anyway. So let's log into the bot and see the results of our traders so you can personally verify. So we see that the second trade was profitable. How to determine the trend? Look how simple it is. Take the highest and the lowest points of the chart, and you can already see the market's condition. Finally, I advise trading where there is no clear trend and the chart is moving in a corridor, or what's called a flat. This is your opportunity. As you can see, nothing complicated. Analyze the signal, take the right steps, and the bot will lead you to profit. And all of this happens every hour. Regardless of whether you're sleeping or working, it's always on guard for your deposit. Do you want to connect to our AI bot and start earning today? Join my team. I will help you set up access to the bot, teach you how to analyze correctly, and we will move towards your goals together. So trust me, it really works, and you can see it for yourself. Message me directly. You can find the link in my comment sections, and send me a message also. If you want to receive even more useful information and test signals, subscribe to my free Telegram channel where you can start earning today. Let me know in the comments how you like this format. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course, I wish everyone good profits and great success in trading.